In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ignore certain misspelled words that are typed in uppercase letters or capitalization in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint if it's not already open. And then you want to select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Options near the bottom of this menu. And now select the proofing button over here on the left panel. And then on the right side where it says when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs, ignore words in uppercase. Go ahead and check mark that if you want to ignore uppercase words or uncheck it if you don't. And then select OK to save. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.